गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः.
On the auspicious and ever so delightful morning of the Teachers' Day, I take the opportunity to welcome, a genuine welcome to our principal, Dr. Manju Gaur ma'am, a hearty welcome to Headmistress Mrs. Tabassum Ashraf ma'am, and all my dear colleagues. And above all, on this day, we are missing our respected and beloved Director ma'am, Mrs. Shalini Meherban ma'am.
समंदर तो परखता है हौसले कश्तियों के, समंदर तो परखता है हौसले कश्तियों के, और मैं डूबती कश्तियों से जहाज बनाता हूँ. Today is the day on which we have to introspect. राधा कृष्णन की बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करना तो एक बहाना है, because he did not want to celebrate his birthday. He wanted to dedicate this day for teachers only. That's why when his disciples, when pupil come and urge to celebrate his birthday, he suggested to all the students, if they would celebrate my birthday as a teacher's day, I would be more than happy. That's why every year on 5th of September, we all celebrate this day as a Teacher's Day. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan not was the first Vice President of India, not was the second President of India, but before that he was a very dynamic teacher also. His students loved him a lot. He worked in several universities of India. Even he worked abroad as a honorary at honorary posts also. He worked in Oxford University also. He became Vice Chancellor of several universities of India, that you know very well. Today, on this occasion, I would like to share one very interesting and inspiring incident of Dr. Radhakrishnan, and I hope you all would take a lesson, learn a lesson from his life, as he worked in several universities. Once he was working in Mysore University and he was shifting to Calcutta University, and he was very famous among his students. So his students decorated a chariot with flowers, and the chariot by their own up to the railway station of Mysore. This is a biggest thing. If a teacher gets this much of respect from their students, is everything for their teacher. So we should learn this lesson from him on this day, because only organizing few functions or only celebrating this day is not enough. The logic behind to celebrate all these days are only do some introspection. So on this day also, we should introspect as a teacher whether we are leaving the landmark for our students or not, because as Farah already said, that teachers are the torch bearers, teachers are the pathfinders, teachers are the facilitators, teachers are the out of the box thinker, teachers are everything. Teachers can make the difference in anyone's life. They can change the entire society. Education is the strongest weapon which can change, which can mold, which can take the society to anywhere. Because teachers are the greatest minds, as Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan quoted, that teachers should be the greatest mind in the world, because teaching is not merely a profession like other professions. Teachers prepare uh, prepare people for other professions. So my dear fellow teachers, we have a very big responsibility upon our shoulders, because teaching is the noblest profession in the world. In abroad, you would see teachers get a lot of respect. Things will be normal, and we would again enjoy our classroom teaching. As you all are taking virtual classes, I see you are doing lot of labor. You remain there alone in classroom. Whenever I visit your classrooms, you remain alone, and your voice, your volume is the same, by which you were handling 30 or 40 students. So this is really, sometimes I become emotional to see all this scene. This is unpredictable things which happened in this world, but we all have to have the courage to bear all these problems and tackle all these problems with with full of what? Full of energy. Energy should not be low. So once again, congratulations to you all on this very occasion, on this Teachers' Day, and I hope you all will come in flying colors as a teacher, because teachers are learners also. If we would stop learning, we would not be a good teacher. We cannot use our 24 years old yellowed notes for teaching our students. We should every day polish our knowledge. We should every day try to learn something new. And after learning the new things, we cannot deliver as it is to our students, because they are youngsters and we are mature. That is the only difference. After identifying that difference, we should try to assimilate our knowledge inside us, and whatever the knowledge required to the student, we should deliver according to the students level only, because everything is available at what one click in today's world. Google is the biggest guru, उसे कोई हरा नहीं सकता. So knowledge is available in books, in e-books, and at Google also. Everyone can search anything on Google, but no one can replace the place of a good teacher. So always try to become the best teacher of your students. Thank you.
Famously, when an arrogant king asked Chanakya, I am the king, Who are you? Chanakya replied, I make kings. That shows the true potential of a teacher in shaping the life of the student and in turn of the nation as a whole.
मेरे ढोल मेरे प्यार की मेरी धुन मेरे ढोल मेरे ढोल मेरे प्यार की धुन मेरे ढोल मेरी चाहती तो फिजा में बहेगी जिंदा रहेगी होके
दोस्तों मिले तो बस एक प्याम कहना, उस्ताद मोहतरम को मेरा सलाम कहना। ऐ दोस्तों मिले तो बस एक प्याम कहना, उस्ताद मोहतरम को मेरा सलाम कहना। इतनी मोहब्बतों से पहला सबक पढ़ाया, इतनी मोहब्बतों से पहला सबक पढ़ाया। मैं कुछ न जानता था, सब कुछ मुझे सिखाया।
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरुर् विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वराय, गुरुर् साक्षात् परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। मंचासीन आदरणीय गणमान्य व्यक्तित्व, मेरे सामने बैठे हुए सभी सम्मानित अध्यापकगण, आप सभी को आज 58वें शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं एवं बधाई। वह मैं इस स्कूल के माध्यम से, इस मंच के माध्यम से देश के सभी शिक्षकों को, सभी भावी शिक्षकों को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं एवं बधाई देता हूं।
ये सच है कि माँ मेरी पहली शिक्षक थी। ये सच है कि माँ मेरी पहली शिक्षक थी। जन्म उसने दिया था, चलना उसने सिखाया था। लेकिन जब मैं 3 वर्ष का था, स्कूल का मार्ग पिता ने दिखाया था। जब शिक्षक ने थामा था मेरा हाथ, मानो भगवान का एहसास मैंने पाया था।
बोले पल्लू बन जाऊंगा, चाहे तो तेरा पल्लू बन जाऊंगा, मर्यादा होगी तो पल्लू बन जाऊंगा, तेलुगु रहेगी तो पल्लू बन जाऊंगा, तू बनाएगी तो उल्लू बन जाऊंगा, बीबी बाबा नहीं पल्लू बन जाऊंगा, आइटम बताने में संजू बन जाऊंगा, शादी करने बोले पल्लू बन जाऊंगा।
बेहतरीन
दूसरे के प्यार में गिरने से तुझे बचा रहा हूँ, समूह देखा हूँ मेरी फिल्म सब।
हम भी अगर बच्चे होते नाम हमारा होता गबलू बबलू, खाने को मिलते लड्डू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। हम भी अगर बच्चे होते नाम हमारा होता गबलू बबलू, खाने को मिलते लड्डू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
प्लास्टिक है दूर खड़ी अच्छी नहीं लगती तू मेरे पास, ठीक है हाथ से खा जाता तेरे लिए, खाना चॉपस्टिक से हॉस्टिक से अलग अलग चश्मा लिया, आँख से पूछा तुम हॉस्टिक से मरी मुझे पूरी की तू प्यार मेरी प्रणाली की पढ़ने न भाता तेरी चाल, सब कमाल अफसर आई रेजर दाल, सब बवाल हो जाएगा मेरे साथ लेके थे, तुझे कोई ना बेचेगा पूरे मेरे सारे के साथ साथे को चाहिए, तुझे अपने तस्वीर को एक नंबर चाहिए, दूसरे के प्यार में गिरना तुझे बचा सब मुझे दिखाओ, तेरी भी सबको बता रहा हूँ, तेरे बारे में सबको अच्छी बात बता रहा हूँ, तेरे लिए मम्मी डैडी घूमे घर पे बढ़ा रहा हूँ, वो तो मेरी थोड़ी बता रहा हूँ।
बहुत जल्दी
सुनने में आया है तू लंदन में रहती है, अब भी जाके पहली टिकट कटा रहा हूँ।